Good morning. We are set for another lackluster start and perhaps continuation of the tepid movement. Although the key indices are close to all-time highs, they seem to be running out of steam every now and then. Action is likely to be more stock-specific. Small cap and mid-cap counters have been buzzing in the past two sessions. That trend may continue as investors are a bit wary of valuations in large caps. That said, the intermediate trend remains up and the Sensex and the Nifty will take out previous record peaks sooner than later. The Nifty is expected to trade in the range of 6,200 to 6,400 in the near term. A break in the current pattern is likely if the Nifty breaches the range on either side. Right now, the global attention is fixed on the G20 summit and the ongoing debate over economic imbalances. The dollar took a breather, sending the US stocks higher, but the euro remains under pressure due to lingering debt worries. Crude has shot up while the other precious metals have softened a bit. M&M could be in focus as the company is set to make some announcement regarding its farm equipment business. Gujarat NRE Coke will also be in focus not only for its Q2 results, but also for the SEBI action against promoters in an insider trading case. DLF will also be in the spotlight after announcing its results overnight. Jaiprakash Associates is another stock to keep an eye on as it considers fundraising in the company which is holding for its power business. The results to be declared today are Anant Raj Industries, Apollo Tyres, Bhushan Steel, Cipla, Gujarat NRE Coke, HDIL, Heikel, KRBL, Lanco Infra, MMTC, PSL, Renbexy and Shree Cement. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 325.2 million in the cash segment on Wednesday provisionally, according to the NSE website. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 1.43 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 14.7 billion. The foreign funds were net buyers at Rs 6.88 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday as per the SEBI website, and mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 3.9 billion on the same day. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India in its reports has added that the Telecom Minister A. Raja had caused losses of approximately 1.8 trillion rupees to the government by awarding scarce airwaves in 2008 to new entrants. Car sales surged 38% in October 2010 with 1.82 lakh vehicles being sold. The Indian Railways carried 78.7 million tons of freight in October, a growth of over 7% in freight loading as compared to the same month last year. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on GT Offshore. We advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 389 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 380 for a target price of Rs 411. And a buy on HCC, we advise buying the stock in the range of Rs 65.50 to 66.50 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 63 for a target price of Rs 72. The derivative strategies are long Videocon Industries November future in the range of Rs 267 to Rs 269 for a target price of Rs 280 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 261. And long Escorts Limited November future in the range of Rs 242 to Rs 244 for a target price of Rs 252 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 237. Thank you and have a great day ahead.